Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best closet organizer is probably one of the most transformative purchases you can make for your home. Not only will it dramatically improve your daily routine by making finding clothes a breeze, but it will also create a sense of calm and order in your bedroom, making you feel more organized and in control of your life. This video will help you find the perfect closet organizer to suit your needs and budget. Number 5. SMIRLY 6-Shelf Closet Organizer. Tired of a messy closet? This innovative hanging organizer offers a simple solution. It adapts to your needs, whether you use it as two separate units or zip together as one. It's not just about cleaning up, it's about leveling up your organization. This hanging shelf maximizes your closet's vertical space, transforming cluttered areas into easily accessible ones. Keep your essentials within easy reach, saving you valuable time searching. Plus, it eliminates the need for extra storage units, saving you money in the long run. It's made with durable, 120 GSM fabric and can hold up to 35 pounds. With 4 drawers and 3 open spaces, it's perfect for organizing sweaters and more. A calm and organized space reduces stress and makes life easier. This closet organizer helps you create that peaceful environment you deserve. What we like? It features multiple drawers and open spaces to organize your clothes efficiently. If you are looking for a space-saving and versatile solution for your closet, this is the perfect choice. Its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, ideal for small spaces or seasonal storage. What people say. The Velcro that keeps it on the hanger is really strong. Super sturdy and a great size. This organizer was so much better than I expected. Lots of storage and the drawers are such a great feature. Super easy to assemble, almost no assembly required actually, and looks great too. Number 4. Rubbermaid Configurations Closet Kit. It sure does. This kit is adjustable to fit closets 4 to 8 feet wide. No more cramped spaces. Installation is a breeze. All the hardware you need is included, and no cutting is required. You'll be organized in no time. It's built to last with a virtually maintenance-free epoxy finish. Say goodbye to rust and snags. Maximize your space. The expandable shelves and telescoping rods adjust to fit your needs, creating customized storage. This modular design is perfect for evolving needs. You can easily reconfigure it without tools as your storage needs change. The hanging rods can be used separately or together, allowing clothes to glide smoothly. No more bunching. Use it anywhere. It's great for closets, pantries, laundry rooms, mudrooms, garages, and basements. This kit comes with everything you need: shelves, rails, brackets, uprights, extensions, and hanging rods. Everything is included for a complete solution. What we like? It offers adjustable shelves and rods to customize your closet space to fit your specific needs. If you have a large closet and want a fully customizable system, this is a great option. Its high-quality materials ensure durability and a long lifespan, making it a worthwhile investment. What people say. The hang bar was done at 80 versus the 86.5 that is recommended. This worked out perfectly. It took about 6 hours total this past Friday to install 2 of the 3 to 6 feet and 1 4 to 8 feet kits in our approximate 6 feet by 6 feet walk-in. The first kit took the longest. Once I understood how the first kit worked, I really cranked after that. The wardrobe system itself is all modular, very easy to install, change around, and super versatile. Number 3. 12-pack space-saving hangers. These aren't your average hangers. They're made from durable, premium plastic and reinforced for extra strength. Hang shirts, suits, even heavy winter coats. It's all good. Tired of a messy closet? These organizers help you sort clothes by type, keeping everything neat and easy to find. Perfect for small spaces. Say goodbye to rummaging through piles of clothes. These hangers keep your garments wrinkle-free and readily accessible. No more ironing or folding. Each hanger holds up to 5 garments, either horizontally or vertically. A 12-pack set can hold up to 60 items, freeing up tons of closet space. The enclosed holes prevent clothes from slipping off, unlike other hangers. Plus, the smooth edges protect your clothes and hands from damage. These space-saving hangers are ideal for students or anyone with limited closet space. They're a must-have for organized living. What we like. These cascading hangers maximize vertical space and keep your clothes organized. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to increase your closet capacity, this is a great solution. They are ideal for small spaces like dorm rooms or apartments, and their sturdy construction ensures they can hold even heavy items. Number 2. MORALVE Space-Saving Hangers. It's made from durable beechwood, ensuring it can hold your clothes without bending or breaking. Unlike flimsy plastic hangers, this one is built to last. Loading and unloading clothes is a breeze thanks to the innovative 360-degree swivel hook. It makes accessing your garments effortless. It's not just for shirts, it's perfect for coats, purses, tank tops, and even baby clothes. This versatile hanger maximizes your closet space. These hangers help you create a clean and organized closet. They're designed to save space and keep your clothes neatly arranged. We're committed to quality and customer satisfaction. If you have any issues, contact us directly through Amazon messaging. We're here to help. What we like. Made from high-quality beechwood, it provides a sturdy and elegant solution for organizing your shirts and other garments. If you like a more sophisticated and durable option for your closet, this is perfect. The 360-degree swivel hook makes accessing your clothes easy and convenient. What people say. The space-saving design is genius. It's like giving your clothes bunk beds, but stylish. And the 360-degree swivel hook. Game changer. These are surprisingly heavy, but when put to the test, they don't bend, creak, or droop in the slightest. I have several heavy winter coats on one set of these and it makes a huge difference in space and function. The quality is exceptional. The fact that they are made of wood gives them a sturdy and durable feel that immediately instills confidence. I've hung heavy jackets, coats, and even suits on these hangers without any issues. The wood is incredibly sturdy, making these hangers heavy-duty champions for my heavier garments. The space-saving aspect is brilliant. Being collapsible, they allow me to maximize the space in my closet without sacrificing the integrity of my clothing. Number 1. HOLDN 4-Shelf Hanging Organizer. Maximize your space with our innovative hanging organizer. It's perfect for small closets and dorms, offering ample storage without taking up valuable floor space. With dimensions of 24W x 12D x 29.5H, it fits comfortably in tight spaces. 4 shelves provide plenty of room for all your belongings. Made from high-quality 600D tear-resistant material, it's built to last. It's strong enough to hold your clothes but gentle enough to protect them. Use it for clothes, shoes, accessories, whatever you need to organize. It keeps everything neat and tidy, simplifying your daily routine. Setup is a breeze. Simply hang it from your closet rod, no complicated assembly required. Start organizing right away. From college dorms to RVs and apartments, it's the ideal solution for maximizing storage in any small space. It's versatile and convenient. What we like. This hanging organizer provides ample storage in a compact design, ideal for small spaces. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to organize your closet, this is a great choice. Its durable material and versatile design make it suitable for various storage needs. What people say. It's perfect. I do have the bar switched out with a different product. These shelves are doing a wonderful job supporting that bar of skirts I have right underneath. I am editing this on March 31, 2025 and want to add that this shelf is still in excellent condition and is not warping much at all. Just keep in mind, this is what my closet usually looks like. I load the shelves lightly and that definitely helps with the longevity of this sort of product. However, the way this product was made is still a big part of its longevity. I've had similar products in the past and I expected to see some fraying and separation with how heavy I load the bar and how long I've had this. That's just how these products tend to age. However, as you can see, the eyelet is still in perfect condition. I purchased this when we had a guest visiting for an extended stay and it worked amazingly well. It was easy to assemble and no issues with it falling at all. The cubbies are roomy and can fit plenty of items. The hanging bar at the bottom is ideal for shorter hanging items, but it is nice that it gives back that bar space it is taking up. Used for clothes and shoes. With a little study, this came together pretty quick and works great for my daughter's closet. Others are correct in that you wouldn't want to overstuff. I think it would work best for younger kids. My daughter is 6 and the extra bar puts her clothes at the perfect height for her. If a small adult was hanging shirts on the extra bar, I would say that it could possibly work. Overall happy and buying 2 more to store dress-up clothes in a different closet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.